Namaskaram. We have learned Python arithmetic operators and also augmented assignment operators. Next we will see relational operators. Python provides 6 relational operators for comparing values. First one less than, then less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then not equal to. Here you can see some operators are different from what you have studied in maths. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. And these relational operators are binary operators. That is, these operators works upon two operands. 3 less than 5, 5 not equal to 3, like this. And why these operators are called relational operators? Because these are used to represent some relationship between the operands. And these operators are also called comparison operators. We will see some examples. 5 greater than 2. It returned true. The result of a relational expression is always a Boolean value, true or false. When we use these relational operators with some values or variables, we can call it as an expression. Here 5 greater than 2. The result of this expression is true. We will see some more examples. 2 less than or equal to 3. What will be the result? True. Because 2 is less than 3. Less than or equal to. Either 2 is less than 3 or 2 is equal to 3. Here 2 is less than 3, so the result is true. 2 equal to 3. This equal to operator checks whether the values of the operands are equal or not. Here the values are not equal, so it returned false. 4 not equal to 6. It is true. 4 is not equal to 6. Another example, A equal to 3, B equal to 5. A greater than B. It is false. Here the values of these variables are comparing. The value of A is 3 and the value of B is 5. So it is checking whether 3 is greater than B or not. Next one, A double equal to 3. That is whether the value of A is equal to 3 or not. It is true. The value of A is 3. Next we will see what is the difference between equal to and double equal to. A equal to 4. B equal to 7. Here this equal to is an assignment operator. That is, the value 4 is assigned to the variable A. Similarly, the value 7 is assigned to the variable B. That is, single equal to is used to assign some values to variable. And the double equal to, see, A double equal to 4 means it will check whether the value of A is equal to 4 or not. The value of A is 4, so it returned true. A double equal to 5. It is false. So, single equal to is an assignment operator and double equal to is relational operator. Next is the combination of arithmetic operators and relational operators. See an example. 2 plus 3 greater than 4. An arithmetic operator and a relational operator. See the result. It is true. That is, first it will evaluate the arithmetic expression, then only it compares. That is, 5 greater than 4 is true. One more example. 2 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3. It is false. That is, first it will evaluate 5 plus 2 and then 5 plus 3, then compare. 7 equal to 8. It is false. That is, arithmetic operators have higher precedence than the relational operators. It will not compare this 5 and this 5 first. First it will do the arithmetic operation, then only the comparison. Next type of operators, logical operators. Logical operators. Python provides 3 logical operators. First one not, then or, and the last one and. We will see one by one. The operands of the logical operators are true or false. First one not true. It is false. Not false. It is true. That is, the not operator reverses or negates the value of the operand. And also this not operator is a unary operator because it works on a single operand. Another example, not 0. See, the result is true because 0 is considered as false. Then not 5. It is false. Any value other than 0 is considered as true. Not true is false. Not 100, false. Not 4.5, false. Not a string, false. Not 3 greater than 4, true. Because first it will evaluate this relational expression. 3 greater than 4. The result is false. So not false is true. Relational operators have higher precedence than logical operators. Next is OR operation. This OR operator is a binary operator. That is, it works with 2 operands. Example, true or false. The result is true. That is, if any one of the operand is true, the result is true. We will see some more examples. False or false. It is false. True or true. The result is true. False or true. The result is true. It is just like what we have studied in Boolean algebra. And then how to connect with the relational operator. 3 greater than 5 or 8 greater than 5. It is true. That is, the OR operation results true if either 3 is greater than 5 or 8 is greater than 5. Here 3 greater than 5 is false, but this 8 greater than 5 is true. That is, one operand is true. So the result is true. Just like the English meaning, that is this or that. And there is no need of bracket for 3 greater than 5 and 8 greater than 5 because these relational operators have higher precedence than logical operators. So first it will evaluate this relational expression, then only it will do the OR operation. Next we will see how this OR operator works with some truth values other than Boolean. 0 or 0. It is 0. 0 is considered as false. False or false is false. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 5. It is 5. 5 is a true value. A string or 0. It returns the string. Because Python considered a string as a true value. And if both the operands are having the truth value true, see 6 or 5. The result will be the first value. Next is AND operator. It is a binary operator. We will see some examples. True and false. See, the result is false. The AND operator evaluates to true only if both of its operands evaluate to true. False in all other cases. Here one operand is false, that is why the result is false. If false and true, this also will return false. What about true and true? The result is true because both the operands are true here. False and false, of course, false itself. We will see some examples with relational operator. 2 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 3. The result is true. That is 2 equal to 2 results true and also 3 equal to 3 results true. 2 greater than 3 and 5 less than 7. Result is false. Even though 5 less than 7 evaluates to true, 2 greater than 3 evaluates to false. So the result is false. Then 0 and 0, result is 0. 0 and 5, the result is 0 because the truth value of 0 is false. Then 4 and 5 is 5. 6 and 3 is 3. That is, it returned the second value. Usually we use the logical operators in our program to connect the relational operators. And about the order of precedence, first priority is for not operation, then and, at last or. And also among arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators, the first priority is for arithmetic operators. First priority arithmetic operators. And the second priority is for relational operators. And then only the logical operators. We will see some examples. A equal to 3, B equal to 5. Not A greater than B or A greater than B. See the result? The result is true. A greater than B evaluates to false because 3 is not greater than 5. And about A greater than B. A greater than B is false. And then not false is true. Then true or false we will get true. That is, first it will evaluate not A greater than B and then only OR operation with A greater than B. Another example, A plus 3 greater than B and not 0. The result is true. First it will evaluate A plus 3, that is arithmetic operation. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 greater than B. 6 is greater than B, so it will return true. Then not 0. Not 0 is true. Not operator always returns a Boolean value. And then true and true is true. And about these logical operators are the keywords. We will see help, keywords. And is there in the list or then not. So and, or and not are keywords. Okay, try some more examples by yourself. In our next class, we will see the application of relational operators as well as logical operators. Thank you.